We can print something when the bed temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius. There are two ways to import the printing file. One way is to insert the SD card. Then press the button Printing. Press SD. Press Testing File. Press Confirm. The other way is to insert the USB disk together with SD card, then do the similar operation. Press the button Printing. Press USB. Press Testing File. Press Confirm. Then we can see that the nozzle temperature is rising continuously. When the nozzle temperature reaches 230 degrees, remove the leftover filament from the nozzle by the tweezers. This is important because it can improve the printing quality. A few seconds later, the nozzle will move to the position as per the printing file, and the filament will be squeezed out automatically. However, if the filament is not squeezed out, please push down the filament manually to help it be squeezed out. This is very important. The printing test is completed and we can see that it shows 100% on the screen now. Take the letter from the platform glass after the glass cools down. So we have a 3D printed letter now.